When I take my dog on walks, he gets really excited when we pass other dogs and he pulls. Fida did some research on this chasing behavior and created this Autobrake leash to help him stop chasing. And I'm really excited because I know a lot of dog trainers use this leash, so let's check it out and see how it works on Ben. How is the automatic explosion-proof flush triggered? Well, here's an amazing demo. Note that when you pull hard on the dog leash, it locks automatically. It's like the usual feeling of pulling a seat belt and being locked. Not magic, and my hands are completely out of control. Continue pulling the leash. Obviously, it takes some effort, and the speed of the rope becomes slow, just like the car brakes. This means that even if the dog continues to blast, the blast force on the neck will be gradually buffered to a controllable range. It's got a beautiful modern design and attractive colors. The anti-slip soft grip provides an enjoyable and comfortable experience during your walk with your pet. You will not feel uncomfortable even if you sweat a lot. Look, now it's my dog's turn. When he runs fast, the leash automatically activates the locking device and he won't run very far, even if it exerts force, because the speed of the leash is controlled very slowly and the pressure on his neck is greatly reduced. It protects it. For me, the pulling force can hardly be felt by the fingers, wrists, or shoulders, and this is supported by theoretical data. The explosive force felt by the human hand can be alleviated by 70%, which means that most of the force is caused by the explosive force. The damage caused by the rush is well avoided. Everyone knows that when walking the dog at a constant speed, press the button on the dog leash and it will push it forward to lock the rope, and then dial the button back to unlock the rope. Unremarkable. Troublesome. Is there a better hidden usage for lazy people? Of course there is. It has everything that you want. After studying the instructions, I tried to flick the handle back slightly. That's right, the automatic locking function is triggered very sensitively, very convenient. Today's product test was so successful. I love the unique design of the Fida's explosion-proof Okinawa leash, and it's been so helpful for all the crazy situations that my dogs like to get into. Its safety and design are impeccable. It's a great guidance tool and a high-quality alternative to dog training, and it's also much more affordable for pet correction behaviors. So definitely give this a thumbs up, and I love it.